understand, bro. Like, how niggas be even have time to hate? Like, there's so much money out here. Just get your money, man. That's all. Call the homie Jay, like, let's go get this money, man. Yeah. Now when I find out 10, I need 100 bands. So we started working till that cash came. All of a sudden, all these bitches want my last name.
You have to make that noise for me. Oh, I was just telling you that your camera's dirty. Giving you a hint.
Don't give no fuck, man. You want camera clean
Turn
it.
left on Marietta Street
Don't
Northwest.
care. Don't give shit, man. No. Don't care. Give fuck about camera. Does you know? Them motherfuckers long, man. They're long cause my head shrunk. Mama said, how your head shrink?
You got
I said,
short.
Mama, my head shrunk.
Yeah,
No, it did not. Your head can't shrink. I said, your face can get fat. Well, yeah. I said, okay, so if your face can get fat, that means your face is on your head. Well, yeah, I'm looking like.
So what does that mean, mother?
I thought she was bored.
I did too.
Y'all,
When I was
you
younger.
better not.
I said when I was younger.
I teach you respect because it's their job to do what they do.
I said when I was younger. Did you hear that?
Because I know
Mom,
that.
Don't
I
be
know
all disrespectful.
No, I be
that
nice.
science teacher know that earth flat and everything.
I be telling them they
Earth
look.
flat. When
He
you
know
be
all
up in
that.
the airplane, that motherfucking shit is flat. You do not see it dip off nowhere. When you in the airplane, and it's so crazy because when you in the airplane, you go up over the clouds, you can see everything clear. The sky blue, you see the sun, all of that. And the earth is flat. I mean, all you see is flatness. If you're around, they talk about gravity. Fuck gravity.
Right.
This motherfucker is flat.
Right.
Yeah.
You ain't got a choice but to stay up.
Right.
Can't go nowhere unless you can fly.
Right.
Now the earth tilt.
Prick. You the police too. Get
Mom.
your ass out the way, officer. Get your ass out the damn way.
Ma, but if the earth tilts.
Turn left on 11th Street
Officer
Northwest.
driving like that.
Yeah,
You ain't got no damn business driving like that.
Ma,
What?
listen, what if the earth tilts and falls upside down? What if we all start falling and everything with us start falling?
Well, my finna get her hair done.
That's scary, ain't it?
Her dress.
Beauty Suite 6.
The car kind of parked crooked right now because you know
That's
the
it
ground's
right
weird.
there. Ask these motherfuckers where am I supposed to park. Go out here and ask them where I'm supposed to park for 664.
664.
Yeah, because I ain't got time. Where the fuck I'm supposed to park? What the fuck? What y'all got going on? Like, what the hell? I'm about to call Jeff ass. Nigga, where the fuck do I park around this bitch? Ask them valet niggas, man. You know what? So I gotta ask them motherfuckers.
Ma, I don't know who to ask. Why you can't do me like this?
You don't want to ask a customer on accident.
Nigga, your shit dead. Where the hell I'm supposed to park?
This should not be this hilarious to me.
Ma.
Man. Hey, where's parking?
For what?
664.
Anywhere on the sides of the road here. This is our valet parking here.
Okay, so I can park on the side of the road without that lady writing my shit up.
Yeah, as long as you don't park on the sidewalk, like those 3 cars up there at the very tip top of the hill.
Yeah.
They got a ticket because they parked their tires protruded on the sidewalk.
Okay.
And all the cars that are parked down here, they're good.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
That nigga run. Run.
Huh? What? Why you always gotta say something and start something? Shut up.
Hope y'all can't shut the fuck up, man. God damn.
What?
I gotta do you like that. I was protecting you.
Okay.
I don't want to hit.
I was on your side.
That's what you get. You in the same boat as me, shawty.
On your side.
Too bad. And why ain't you on my side? I'll be on your side.
Nope.
Huh? I ain't gonna be on your side more. Forget it. Since you don't get what?
I'm gonna be like on Instagram, Styles by Jeff. Shout me out. I'm starting my lashes soon. I don't want to.
Guess what we had again,
It
guys?
ain't that bad this time.
382,
last
32,
time
32. Alright, bye. Yeah, it was on the side of the door. Mama got your keys, bye.
What's the parking spot we in? Did anybody even look?
No.
Some of my bitches looked to see.
We walked this far. No.
Hey, really?
He could go do it. Yeah.
You or him should have looked. Me and him both on the phone handling business. Y'all should have looked to see. What, and he gonna stand there and count. He's so lazy. Boy, go see what parking spot we in. I mean, one of y'all sorry.